FHelpPlayers is an NCAA compliant nationwide NIL platform for college and eligible high school athletes. At FHP, sports fans are able to search for their favorite school athletes, shop online, and buy a copy of the athlete's digital badges or memento, or book a spot to attend an online interactive chat with the athlete. Fans also have special access to discounts from vendors and special programs at participating schools. To construct a downloadable badge or memento, the athlete records a selfie video on their cell phone, uploads it to FHP as a QR code, and then using one of our proprietary templates, attaches that QR code to the badge or memento. Then that athlete will set the price and post that item at FHP for sale online. For example, during the sports season, an athlete can choose to construct seasonal badges online. The athlete can record a selfie before or after each game or match of the season, then post the badge online for sale immediately. Fans can follow their favorite athlete's experience during the season that way, and the athlete can be rewarded financially for his NIL seasonal badges. Mementos are another type of online digital asset at FHP. They are constructed online using the template as a full-page display with multiple QR codes representing selfie videos and photos selected by the athlete. Mementos come in standard sizes and are frameable for hanging on the wall or will fit into plastic protectors. To replay highlights of the season from a memento, the fan can scan one QR code after another and view the memento as the athlete's voice describes the meaning of the associated photos of the memento. FHP badges fit standard ID holders, so some fans may choose to wear their badge to the game. That's a great way to show support for their favorite athlete.
Attached now are a few minutes of video to highlight the quality and detail of the programming in the website. For example, we can review details of the memento template. This is the template used by the athlete, perhaps with the help of the fan assistant, to make his mementos. As we see here, the template first asks the athlete to select the size of the memento he wants to make. The choices are 8 1/2 by 11 or 8 1/2 by 14. In this case, the developer is showing us the selection of the smaller size. As we see, this memento holds 2 photos and 9 QR codes. The developer is showing us the typing in of text. The athlete can enter whichever identifying words he wishes for this memento. Likely this would be details of the season and the events he will depict in selfie videos and photos. The system assigns a number to the memento, which is the athlete's ID number, and the next sequential number of mementos so far made by that athlete. Then the developer adds the photos and QR codes. These QR codes, when scanned, will play the athlete's selfie video on the fan's cell phone. When the athlete has completed the memento construction, the athlete uploads the memento to his gallery, where fans can search for it. The fans' search for mementos can be by athlete's name, by memento ID number, or by athlete's ID number. The fan can find that ID number by looking at his favorite fan's profile.
Let's move now from the memento template to the programming for the seasonal badge. Here, the athlete clicks in the menu for seasonal badge. We see the athlete has not constructed any seasonal badges yet. So the athlete opens his seasonal template. He sees the instructions, which state that he has 5 free seasonals to build, but then each additional seasonal he builds will cost him 30 cents. He selects the seasonal type as pre-game, inputs the season by year, the sport as football, and autofills the number as 1, his first seasonal of this season. He has the option to add a fan assistant's email, which is how the assistant receives credit for the work and pay. The athlete attaches the URL for his selfie video and chooses the price. He uploads the QR code and adds the QR price. The 2 prices are because the fan can choose to buy a view of the seasonal online without downloading a card, or the fan can choose to download the seasonal as a card. Each option has its own price set by the athlete. Here, the dev is showing the edit function. Next, the dev shows us that the seasonal badge just built has been successfully added to the athlete's files. Next, we see the athlete reviewing his posted seasonal badges. Then we go to the fan side. Here is the search function for seasonal badges. The fan enters the athlete ID, and the system replies with display of the athlete's posted seasonal badges. Next, we see a fan paying for an online-only view of a seasonal badge. Then, the athlete's selfie video plays. Then we see the fan paying for a downloadable seasonal card or badge. Then we see the seasonal cards in the fan's database. We see the fan can replay the video of the view online-only case. The seasonal card download case is then shown, and we see the seasonal badge has successfully downloaded. Scan of the QR code would play the selfie video. That concludes our video. We at FansHelpPlayers have worked diligently to design programming which serves our users. Thank you.